Imagine staying updated without constantly checking items in SharePoint lists or libraries. A user begins by registering a notification through the new SharePoint notification app integrated in any list or library, selecting how they want to be informed: SMS, Microsoft Teams, WhatsApp, or email. Now, whenever another user adds, modifies, or deletes an item in a SharePoint list or library, something powerful happens behind the scenes. SharePoint instantly sends a notification to the new SharePoint notification system. This new enhanced notification system detects the change, processes the update, and identifies which users subscribe to these notifications. Depending on the user-defined scheduling, the registered user receives a notification through their preferred communication channel. No manual checking, no missed updates. Whether it's a critical document change or simple update, users stay informed, connected, and in control. Smart notifications, seamless communication, better collaboration, all powered by the SharePoint notification system, the replacement for classic SharePoint alerts.